Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello dear students, this is Mervat Abdullah, math teacher and supervisor. Today we are going to take the second geometry exam for prep 3. Let's start. Answer the following questions. Complete the following. Cosine power 2 angle 45. You know before that if I have a triangle with a right angle and I have one of the two other angles is 45, so the other angle will be 45. Then we know that the ratios are 1, 1, root 2 for the hypotenuse. Then cosine 45 equals adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1 over root 2. All power 2 gives 1 over 2. Question 2. The distance between the point -3 and 4 and the origin point equals. خلينا ندرو على اللاتس بتاعتنا. We have the point -3 and 4. Where is this point? Here is the point. We want to match this point with the origin. So this is the distance between this point and the origin. How to find it? I need a triangle, a right angle triangle. Here are the sides. Then what is the length of the first side? It is 3 because we counted the squares. I have 1, 2, 3 squares. The other side is 4 because I counted also the squares 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I need to find this hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. So it is root 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2 gives 5. Then the distance is 5. Question 3. In the opposite figure, find tan C. Let's go to C, angle C. This is angle C. I don't have the opposite side. How to find it? Using Pythagoras theorem. So AB, the length of AB equals the hypotenuse square, which is 5 square, minus the adjacent square, which is 4 square. This gives 3. So AB is 3 units. Now to find tan, we need the opposite over the adjacent. So 3 over 4. Question 4. If L1 is parallel to L2 and the slope of L1 is -1, then the slope of L2 we took before. The two slopes are equal, so the second slope will be -1. Question 5 wants to find sine 30 plus cosine 60 minus tan 45. I drew for you triangle 45 triangle and 30-60 triangle. Sine 30 is, we know that it is 1 over 2, and plus cosine 60, it is also 1 over 2, minus tan 45, it is 1. So this quantity gives 0. Question 6, if sine theta equals 0.6, find theta in degree, minute, and second. We need to find the inverse sine of 0.6. This will give me 36 degree, 52 minute, 11.63 second. Question 2, choose the correct answer from the given ones. If sine x is root 3 over 2, where x is an acute angle, then find x. عندي طريقتين. يا إما أن أنا هجيبها inverse sine من على الكالكوليتر. This will give you 60 degree. أو إني حافظ التريانجل كويس 30-60 على طول هعرف إن root 3 over 2 إحنا حافظينها is angle 60. Question 2 في choose if point A is 2 and 4, point B is 6 and 0, then the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. أكيد إحنا حافظين الrules to find the x coordinate of the midpoint. الرول بتقولي x2 plus x1 over 2. Let's substitute. So it is 6 plus 2 over 2. I have here 2 and I have here 6 equals 8 over 2 gives 4. So the x coordinate of the midpoint is 4. To find the y coordinate, I put y2 plus y1 over 2. Here is the y coordinate 4 plus 0, which gives 4 over 2, which gives finally 2. So the point is 4 and 2. Question 3, the straight line that makes with the positive direction of x-axis angle of measure 45 its slope is what؟ خدنا قبل كده ان slope هو tan الانجل. طيب خلينا نشوف الكلام ده. Let's draw this line with an angle 45. تمام. Let's complete the triangle. أكيد احنا حافظين ان التريانجل ده السايدز بتاعته خدنا الريشيوز بتاعته 1 root 2 عشان نجيب له slope بنقول tan 45 which is 1 over 1 which is 1. Question 4. The straight line whose equation is 2y equals 3x plus 1 intercepts a part of the y-axis of length what؟ خلينا نشوف. ادي الإيكويشن. أهم حاجة I need the y إن ما يبقى لهاش أي coefficient beside it. We will divide all the equation by 2. Then y will equal 3 over 2x plus 1 over 2. We need the length of the intercepted part, which is this part. So it is 1 over 2. Question 5. The straight line passes through the point 1 and 2. Here is the point 1 and 2. And parallels the x-axis. Its equation is عارفين قبل كده إنه لما يكون parallel x-axis بتكون الإيكويشن بتاعته y equals this part. So it is y equals 2, choice B. In triangle ABC, which is right angled at B, if sine C is 3 over 5 and AB, the real length of AB is 6 centimeter, find the real length of AC. Let's draw this triangle. I have here ABC triangle right angled at B, and he gave me that sine C is 3 over 5. Let's put the ratios. I have AB 3 to AC 5. Then let's write the ratio. So sine C equals 3 over 5. Let's substitute with sine C means opposite over hypotenuse. So it will be AB over AC equals 3 over 5. He gave me the real length of AB, which is 6. So 6 over AC equals 3 over 5. Scissors. So AC will be 5 times 6 over 3, which is 10 centimeter. AB line segment is a diameter in the circle M, where the point A is 1 and 5. Here is A. Let's plot it. And the point M, which is the center of the circle, is 2 and 6. Let's plot this point. Here is the point. And let's draw this circle. Tamam. Find the coordinates of the point B. Let's match A and M and extend it to cut the circle at the point B. The coordinates of B is 3 and 7. Prove that the straight line passes through the 2 points -3 and 2 and 4 and 5, parallels the straight line that makes the positive direction with the positive direction of x-axis an angle of 45 degree. خلينا نبدأ من الآخر للأول. بيقول لي it makes a 45 angle with x-axis, so tan 45 is 1. عايزين نبروف إنه كمان the slope of this straight line is also 1. Let's find the slope. الرول بتقول لي y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's substitute. So 5 minus -2 over 4 minus -3, which gives 7 over 7, which is 1. So both sides are equal, then it is proved. For A, بيقول لي if sine x is sine 60 times cosine 30 minus sine 30 cosine 60, he wants me to find the measure of angle x. هنستعين بالتريانجل 30-60 وخلينا substitute في الquantity اللي هو مديها لي. So sine x equals sine 60. Let's substitute. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Cosine 30 is root 3 over 2 minus sine 30 is 1 over 2 times cosine 60 is 1 over 2. الquantity كلها على بعضها تديني 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4, which is 2 over 4. The final answer تديني 1 over 2. احنا حافظين انه لما يكون sin x is 1 over 2 عارفين على طول انها الانجل 30. Question B. Prove that the points A, where A is -3 and 0, point B 3 and 4, and point C is 1 and negative 6 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle of vertex A. تمام. ادي ال coordinates. Let's plot the points negative 3 and 0. Here's the point A. البوينت اللي بعدها 3 and 4. Here's the point B. البوينت اللي بعدها 1 و negative 6 here. هنماتش ل 3 points. تمام. كويس قوي. هنجيب اللينث الأول of AB. عارفين الرول equals root x2 minus x1 all power 2 plus y2 minus y1 all power 2. هنسبستيتيوت على طول. So negative 3 minus 3 all power 2 plus 0 minus 4. Here are the points I'm talking about. تمام. اللينث هنا لما نحطه على calculator يديني root 52. To find the length of BC هنروح للBC. ادي البوينت B وادي البوينت C. على طول 3 minus 1 all power 2 4 minus negative 6 all power 2 يديني root 104 or 104. آخر length هنجيبه AC. هنسبستيتيوت it will give me also root 52. So the two sides اللي equal معانا هما ال AB وال AC are equal. So it is an isosceles triangle. Question 5a. Find the equation of the straight line which is passing through the point 1 and 3 and perpendicular to the straight line with equation y equals 1 over 4x minus 2. دي الإيكويشن بتاعت الستريت لاين الأولاني. بيقول لي إنه الستريت لاين التاني is perpendicular to it. طب إيه السلوب هنا؟ It is 1 over 4. طب عايزين السلوب بتاع الستريت لاين التاني which is perpendicular to it. هنجيب الريسيبريكال ونغير الساين. يبقى السلوب التاني نيجاتيف 4. ايه الايكويشن اللي عندي بتاعت اي ستريت لاين؟ بيقول لي y equal mc plus mx plus c. هنعوض بالm نيجاتيف 4 يبقى y equal نيجاتيف 4x plus c. ناقص اجيب الانترسبتد بارت او السي. هجيبه ازاي؟ هختار البوينت اللي عندي ونسبستيتيوت بيها في الايكويشن اللي هنا. تمام. So 3 equals negative 4 times 1 plus c. هنودي دي الناحية التانية بالبوزيتيف. So c equals 7. يبقى الإيكويشن بتاعتي هنظبطها. So y equals negative 4x plus 7. آخر question معانا question B. ABC is a right angle triangle at B. تمام. Here is the right angle. تمام. AB equals 15 centimeter and BC equals 20 centimeter. يبقى أنا اللي باقي لي دلوقتي أجيب الهايبوتنس. تمام. So it is root 15 power 2 plus 20 power 2 which gives 25. يبقى الهايبوتنس بتاعتي 25. طالب مني نبروف إنه cosine C times cosine A minus sin C sin A equals 0. خلينا نحط الكوانتيتي الأول ونسبستيتيوت. cosine C احنا شايفينها معانا هنا في الفيجر 20 over 25. cosine A is 15 over 25 minus sin C is 15 over 25 times sin A 20 over 25. طبعا واضح قوي ان الكوانتيتي اللي هنا هي الكوانتيتي اللي هنا وما بينهم علامة الماينس. So this will give me 0. ده كان آخر question معانا. I hope ان انت تكون استفدت من الفيديو ده. If so, I hope you to subscribe, share and like and see you soon إن شاء الله in the new video. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.